Welcome back to BitcoinDorks. Today, we're diving into the world of Shiba Inu and the recent surge in its burn rate. Could this mean a price rally for Shiba Inu is on the horizon? Let's find out. So, what's the deal with Shiba Inu's burn rate? Let's understand first what a burn rate is and why it matters in the world of cryptocurrencies. A burn rate refers to the rate at which tokens or coins are removed from circulation, usually through mechanisms like token burns or buybacks. By reducing the total supply of tokens in circulation, burn events can potentially create scarcity and drive up demand, leading to price appreciation. In the case of Shiba Inu, the burn rate has recently soared to an impressive 90% daily. This means that a significant portion of Shiba Inu tokens are being removed from circulation every day, potentially tightening the supply and creating conditions for a price rally. But what's driving this surge in the burn rate? One factor contributing to Shiba Inu's increased burn rate is the project's decision to allocate a portion of its transaction fees toward token burns. Every time a transaction occurs on the Shiba Inu network, a small fee is charged, with 8% of that fee being used to buy back and burn Shiba Inu tokens. This ongoing buyback and burn process helps to reduce the circulating supply of Shiba Inu tokens over time, increasing scarcity and potentially boosting prices. The recent surge in popularity and adoption of Shiba Inu has likely played a significant role in the increase in its burn rate. As Shiba Inu gains traction and captures the attention of more users and investors, the demand for its tokens naturally increases. This heightened interest in Shiba Inu led to a surge in activity within the Shiba Inu ecosystem, including trading, staking, and other on-chain activities. With more users interacting with the Shiba Inu platform, the volume of transactions on the network experiences a notable uptick. Each transaction on the Shiba Inu network incurs a small fee, a portion of which is allocated towards token burns. Therefore, as the volume of transactions increases, so too does the amount of tokens being burned. This organic growth in usage and demand for Shiba Inu tokens not only contributes to the increase in the burn rate but also underscores the project's growing significance within the broader cryptocurrency landscape. The surge in popularity and adoption of Shiba Inu has ignited a profound wave of enthusiasm and community engagement, significantly amplifying the bullish case for the project. At the core of Shiba Inu's meteoric rise lies its dedicated community of supporters and enthusiasts, whose unwavering passion and commitment have propelled the project to new heights. Shiba Inu's community-driven movement is a testament to the power of grassroots activism in the cryptocurrency space. Unlike traditional financial markets where top-down approaches dominate, Shiba Inu's success story is written by its grassroots supporters who have embraced the project's vision and values wholeheartedly. This bottom-up approach to growth and adoption has not only fueled Shiba Inu's ascent but also fostered a sense of ownership and empowerment among its community members. Indeed, Shiba Inu's community engagement goes beyond mere fandom or speculation. It represents a shared belief in the project's potential to disrupt the status quo and democratize finance for the masses. Through their collective efforts, Shiba Inu's community members have become ambassadors for the project, spreading awareness and driving adoption through word of mouth, social media, and grassroots initiatives. Shiba Inu's community engagement extends beyond virtual interactions to real-world impact. From charitable initiatives and community events to educational programs and philanthropic endeavors, Shiba Inu's community members are actively involved in making a positive difference in the world. Whether it's raising funds for animal shelters, supporting humanitarian causes, or promoting financial literacy, Shiba Inu's community exemplifies the spirit of giving back and making a meaningful impact on society. Shiba Inu's community engagement efforts have helped to create a virtuous cycle of adoption and growth, where each new member brings additional value and momentum to the project. With every new supporter and advocate, Shiba Inu's reach extends further, reaching new audiences and opening up new opportunities for growth and innovation. With a vibrant and active community backing it, Shiba Inu has been able to leverage its grassroots momentum to foster widespread adoption and engagement. From social media campaigns and online forums to real-world meetups and events, Shiba Inu's community members have been instrumental in spreading the word about the project and attracting new users, developers, and investors to its ecosystem. Shiba Inu's community engagement extends far beyond mere promotion and marketing efforts. It is a testament to the project's inclusive and collaborative ethos, where every member is encouraged to contribute and participate in shaping its future. Whether through governance initiatives, community-led projects, or grassroots activism, Shiba Inu's community members play an active role in steering the project toward success and sustainability. Shiba Inu's community engagement efforts have helped to cultivate a supportive and welcoming environment for newcomers, fostering a sense of belonging and camaraderie within the community. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a first-time crypto enthusiast, Shiba Inu's community members are always ready to offer guidance, support, and encouragement, helping newcomers navigate the complexities of the cryptocurrency space and find their place within the Shiba Inu ecosystem. In conclusion, the surge in popularity and adoption of Shiba Inu has been fueled by its vibrant community of supporters and enthusiasts who have tirelessly championed the project's cause. Through their passion, dedication, and grassroots activism, Shiba Inu's community members have played a pivotal role in driving adoption, awareness, and engagement on a global scale. That's all for today's video.